SRS is a Software Requirement Specification. SRS document contains the structured form of requirements. It is an important document and tough to write. SRS document is used as a reference document and legal document. It acts as a contract between the development team and the customer. Once the customer agrees to the SRS document, the development team proceeds to develop the software and ensure that it conforms to all the requirements mentioned in the SRS document. Users of SRS document: users, customers, and marketing personnel, software developers, test engineers, user documentation writers, project managers, and maintenance engineers. Users, customers, and marketing personnel. Remember that the customer may not be the user of the software but may be someone employed or designated by the user. Next user of the SRS document is the software developers. The software developers refer the SRS document to make sure that they are developing exactly what is required by the customer. Test engineers. Test engineers use the SRS document to understand the functionalities and based on this write the test cases to validate its working. Next user of the SRS documentation is the user documentation writers. They need to read the SRS document to ensure that they understand the features of the product well enough to be able to write the user's manual. Next user of the SRS documentation is the project managers. The project managers refer the SRS document to ensure that they can estimate the cost of the project easily by referring to the SRS document and that it contains all the information required to plan the project. The next user of the SRS document is the maintenance engineers. The SRS document helps the maintenance engineers to understand the functionalities supported by the system. A proper understanding of the functionalities supported enables them to determine the specific modifications to the system's functionalities would be needed for a specific purpose.
Thank you.